I've coined the term the AI competence mirage, and we're pretty much trying to pull back that curtain on whether, smart leaders think they get AI, but we really think they don't. And so, recently, a real estate exec that I know of, they talked about their AI tool, and they brought up a really interesting point when they brought it up to other executives. They just asked basic questions, and they're looking at AI as like a chatgpt, but it's more like a chatbot tool. And it's something that could really easily be done for free and completed in just 30 seconds. Also, I think another big stat that we've been seeing, or we read recently, was MIT report revealed that 90% of companies investing in AI tools like ChatGPT, they're not seeing any ROI. Only about 5% of AI investments yield real results.
It's really not the technology at fault. Lots of companies fail because AI just doesn't stick, isn't able to adapt, can't retain context. So it's pretty much sidelined after being seen as a sort of flashy demo, or really just not an actual tool. I think it's important for us to understand what really makes AI valuable. And this is that don't fall into a trap of rushing to market with particular AI features. Start with a plan, have a short and long-term plan. And that's going to involve things like infrastructure, because AI isn't going to go away. It's very much here to stay. There are so many areas of value that it can add. It's really just, how can you align yourself with those areas?
The number one thing kind of to look at first is that pattern of AI failure. It's more features over substance. So, the failure isn't random. The same story kind of plays out. You get a flashy demo, executives are impressed, but it's really just smoke and mirrors. And so we're seeing some of this, or we've seen some of this with Builder AI. They claimed they had like an AI powered app development, but really relied on all humans, and now they're in bankruptcy. And this happened this year. The same with generic AI. Basically, they're cheaper, user-friendly alternatives like ChatGPT often outperform expensive enterprise contracts in usability and adoption.
That's another important point to note, is just, again, the speed at which this is, AI is advancing. And you look at a lot of companies may come in offering sort of an, enterprise, contract where you have, custom built AI tools for your specific teams or workflows, maybe custom built integrations as well to your CRM or your learning management systems. And then you've got the branding, support, and security compliance goes along with that. And often these solutions just turn out to be thin wrappers over existing models like maybe GPT or Claude. They're introducing clunky workflow interfaces, and really just the main problem is lagging behind these generic tools, which have these sort of publicly available versions, and they just lack flexibility, personalization, or being able to really do things like prompt tuning.
I'm curious, in video games, cheat codes let you skip months of grinding to unlock special abilities instantly. Have you ever wished for something similar for your software challenges? What if there's a way to instantly access 20 plus years of specialized expertise instead of developing it all internally? What if you could solve in weeks what might otherwise take months or years? Would you agree that most organizations face a steep learning curve when implementing new software solutions? At my company IIIMPACT, we serve as that cheat code for companies looking to transform complex software into intuitive experiences that users love and that drive real business results. Would it be valuable to explore, and how might this work for your specific situation? Visit impact.io for a free strategy session focused on your unique challenges.